If I tell una say na Enugu be this, na no go gree. Buruburu took Enugu from the new heaven that it used to be, the new heaven Sullivan Chime created, to the dark days of Enugu. Just imagine, look at Enugu, just see. See what Enugu has become. See, hold up. This is inside town, oh. This is the main town of Enugu State. This is inside town of Enugu State that has turned into this mess. Hold up everywhere. Just because a bridge fell since last year September till now, they are not able to fix that bridge that leads to MNA. Everywhere is hold up. See people fighting up and down because of some people decided to embezzle the money belonging to a state. Is that fair? Causing hardship to the people of Enugu State. This is totally not fair and totally not acceptable. Just imagine what people are going through. Inside the town, bad road. On the highway, bad road. Bad road everywhere you go to. One man just sit down there with his big stomach. Now he has installed his own stooge. His own stooge, Mr. Mba. Mba has been there getting to 1 year now. Mba has done nothing. Mba has done nothing. The whole stress, the whole walk. Just imagine, see accidents. Student bus. That's a student bus. If you are conversant with Enugu, this is Nza Street. This street you are seeing so is Nza Street. See how Nza Street is choked. Inside town, a trailer they get accident. 2 days ago, trailer ran into somebody's house because of negligence of the government. See what negligence of the government is causing to the people of Enugu State. Inside town, you go see pothole where they like gutter. Is that fair? Is that fair? Yet these people are forced to pay their tax. These people are forced to pay their tax, and this is what they get. Because government refused to work. Anyway, that is what we get in Nigeria. See, this is Nza Street, though. This is the almighty Nza Street you always hear about in Enugu State. See how choked it is. Accident everywhere. See this one, they don't scatter in car. They don't scatter in car already. See pothole, they like saying a gutter. Accident every day. Yet we have a governor. The governor has installed his stooge. My question is, what did Ifeanyi Ugwuanyi do for the past 8 years he has been in office? What did he do? Nothing. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Just accumulating land to himself every time. These people are, only God go reward them. Enugu State that used to be the new heaven. Enugu State that used to be the new heaven has been turned into the black heaven. Because of one man's selfishness to accumulate everything. Just see road. See road. Can you still call this place New Heaven? This is New Heaven in Enugu State. See New Heaven. Just see New Heaven. See New Heaven. Just look at New Heaven. Take a look at New Heaven. Take a look at New Heaven. Can you still call this place New Heaven? This is no longer New Heaven now. This is Black Heaven. Wickedness of man. Wickedness of man. Wickedness of man.